So certifications are actually paying less now. And I put the article like as a green screen here, but I'm gonna post it like somewhere because like I'm big on receipts and data. But I want to talk about that. And it's not because skills don't matter, because skills gonna always matter. But what's happening is that the market is repricing how those skills are proven or applied. You know how I said tech is application based? So let's get into it. So this analysis was actually published by Dice. And if you're already in tech, you already know who Dice is. But for those of you who do not know, I'm about to read it because I'm big on receipts to let you know. So Dice is one of the longest standing tech career platforms in the industry. Dice sits directly between employers, hiring managers, and technologists. So this reflects real hiring behavior and not opinions. Now, the underlying compensation data, because they had to do a comparison between compensation data and roles, comes from a consulting company called Foote Partners. And I'm going to describe who they are. Foote Partners is a private IT workforce and compensation research firm that focuses on the people side of technology. They benchmark how skills are priced based on actual pay data from over 100,000 IT professionals across nearly 5,000 employers in the US and Canada. And here's what they found in their research and their analysis. They found that cash pay premiums for IT certifications have declined for the third year in a row. That's what this article is saying. At the same time, non certified hands on skills are still earning 17 to 23% bonuses compared to 10 to 15% for most certifications. But the thing is, the market is volatile. For those that don't know, I'm deep in technology, but I also have an MBA. So, money, finance, data, that's my lane. Over 30% of IT skills change within a quarter. And the segment that was the most negatively impacted was certification. And the reason being is because technology is an ever changing, ever growing field. For those of you that are over here, you already know we're always learning new things. Like that's just how we are. We're built like that. But certification bodies cannot keep up with it. So what is happening is employers need people that are able to apply the skills as they evolve. Like they don't have time to wait on certification bodies. So over time, what we're seeing is a gap that is being built. Basically, certifications are a signal, skills are proof. Proof and skills get you paid. If you can't apply what you said you learned in a certification, it's not worth it anyway. Like it's not valuable anyway. So you have to be able to apply those things. And I see I lost my green screen, but y'all, if you still here, you rock with me and I love you. But another thing that Dice also mentioned in that article was Fortinet. And Fortinet shows that employers are funding fewer certifications, dropping from 89% of organizations in 2023 to just 73% today. That's just another signal that employers are more focused on like the actual work as opposed to like just accumulating certs. Now, don't try to take my video and twist it because I know y'all like to tussle over here, but I don't tussle. I said what I said. And I'm not saying that certifications are useless. I'm not saying that vendor issued certifications are not worth it. That is not what I'm saying. I'm saying that you have to have the ability to be able to apply those skills. And the data proves that companies and employers are aligning with that mindset as well. And I've been saying that for years now. Because at the end of the day, if you can't apply what you claim you learned, you're going to feel it when the market shifts. Like you're going to feel it. None of us are safe. None of us are layoff proof. None of us are. Even myself. None of us have a guaranteed job. None of us. But if you can adapt and apply, you're going to feel it when the market shifts. So that's all I got to say. Bye, y'all. Have a good day.